the expo has just been fantastic. I've had an opportunity to see equipment that I hadn't seen, and I have been involved in alt-fuel programs since the early 1990s. And so this just been amazing to see how the technology has just emerged and blossomed.
Hundreds gathered in Wallingford at the site of the 2011 Alternative Fuels and Advanced Technology Vehicles Expo, hosted by all four of the Connecticut Clean Cities organizations: Southwestern Connecticut, Greater New Haven, Norwich, and the Capital Region, serving Greater Hartford.
Well, I think the expo is excellent. This is the 7th annual one. I've come to 6 out of the 7. And I kept coming back because it was one of the best sources of information on alternative fuels that I found, and it's really helped us.
The day showcased the achievements and accomplishments of the Connecticut Clean Cities Future Fuels Project, a $29 million program funded through a public-private partnership, a grant from the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act funded by the Department of Energy. Alternative fuel industry experts and leaders, as well as networking and exhibits, offered opportunity for attendees to become actively involved with Clean Cities.
$1 billion a day we send out of our country, and we send it to countries that don't particularly like us. That's what keeps the price high, and the cost of protecting that supply is what keeps the price high. And if you're an economics major, which I'm not, you could explain this to me, why we send $1 billion a day out of the country.
We're very determined to help be a part of the solution in Connecticut for the future of not only Connecticut, but this country as a whole.
That direction is alternative fuel: propane, hydrogen, electric, compressed natural gas, liquefied natural gas, and biodiesel. The vehicles powered by alternative fuels might surprise you, from this utility truck to this garbage truck, or a natural gas-powered taxi. The show offered participants opportunity to be on the front line, get under the hood, and kick the tires.
I remember a couple years ago we had 3 vehicles here, and now we have more than I can count. It's really wonderful.
Yes, it is very broad, and I must say that each time I come here, I meet somebody that's important to my business, and whether I work with them at that particular time or we just develop relationships over time, it's been very good.
Oh, this is great because there's a lot of vehicles here. We heard a lot about the different technologies that were available to people, and this stuff is here now. So that's a great thing. There's more choices for people now in alternative fuel vehicles.